Actually, I am going to tell you the summary of this lesson. It is a story of a doctor who started working in a rural place, means in a village. In that time, we can imagine, means no village was electrified. So where he was appointed, where he was working there, means there no electric system was going on. Means so after working means as a doctor, then at evening time many persons were gathered at a place. He was also one of them who were gathered at one place. Everybody was involved in talking about means everybody was talking about snakes. The topic actually was going on snakes. Suddenly doctor started saying, actually he asked a question, has a snake quite itself on your body parts? Means then hearing this everybody was amazed, because anyone has not guessed about that these type of question would be asked. When he asked, then everybody fell silent and started paying attention what actually the doctor was saying. The doctor started telling about his story which had happened with him. Means he started telling that he was appointed, he was working in a village. The village was situated at a very rural place, you can say, and he started that it was summer time and it would be 10 o'clock. It would be 10 o'clock of night. He had taken his food at restaurant. He came back. He came back actually to his room. He had taken a room, a very small type of room. He had taken there some type of means there are some important things he was having. He went there, and when he opened the door, a kind of sound, strange sound he heard. But the doctor was very familiar with that sound because the house was very old type. So means he guessed about that the sound must have been created by the rats. Means he started, and then what happened? He took a kerosene lamp, he lighted it, and means actually I have told you that the room was not electrified, so with a kerosene lamp he was working. In that time he was having some dhotis, some shirts, and only one black coat. In that time he had taken off, he had put on the black coat. He took off the black coat and his vest also, and vest means banyan, we can say. Means they both these both had some from his body. He took off, he hanged them on a peg, we can say. And after that again writer the narrator started telling about the situation of the room, we can say. Means the room was outer room is near, we can say that it was situated at the outside of the village, and the room was means in front of the room there was an open yard, angan, we can say. We have understood what is actually meaning, and means it was made, its ceiling was made with tile, and the supporting system of gables, means pillars, we can say. But it was, we can imagine a structure of an old house like a British used to construct, and it was a kacha house, we can say, because its ceiling was not we can say that it was a kacha house. So rats were regular, they used to come, they used to go. And after that what happened, he settled, he made his bed and lied over that. he was trying to sleep, but he was means the person was very much in that room. So the means his sleep, he was very far from his sleep. He was unable to sleep. After that, an idea came into his mind. There was a box beneath his bed. He took a book, Metria Metica, means related to the book. It was related to the medicine. Means he started reading, but again he was not having interest in that. Then after, means he again went out from the room. He again went out from the room, and he started loitering. Loitering means टहलने लगा. Loiter and roam, these two words are very similar. Loiter and roam means टहलना, but without any purpose. Means there was no purpose. He started walking, but he wanted to feel fresh air. But in that time, he has actually commented on that. In that time, wind god, means god wind actually was angry. I think we can say that he must have, because no wind he was feeling at that time. After that, he returned again into his room, and he returned into his room, and he means he sat beside a table, and the table was attached with a mirror. Means there was in front of the mirror, in front of him there was a mirror, and with the mirror there was a comb also kept inside, means kept on that. When we saw a mirror, it's very natural. It happens with everyone. When you come in front of the mirror, you are tempted to see yourself. Doctor was also tempted to see himself. Tempted means attracted. He got attracted with the mirror. He started watching himself, and he had been a great admirer of beauty, because he wanted to maintain himself every time. And one thing more, it is very important, in that time he was unmarried, and that's why it was a big reason he wanted to look more handsome. He wanted that he should be familiar figure in front of the public, we can say. And means then again the same sound in starting he had heard, it came. Means again he left that idea what was going on. He left all the things. Again he started himself to means decorate. Means he wanted to make himself very handsome person. He wanted to present himself like a very handsome person. So many ideas were coming into his mind. In those ideas, he started thinking that he would grow thin moustache on his face. Moustache means mooching, and after that means he would save daily. Means a kind of decision. Means he took a decision that every day he would save, because he was a doctor, and doctors should be handsome. Doctors should be means quite attractive in front of the public, in front of the common person. So these type of many ideas were coming into his mind. Means after that, means suddenly what happened, kind of means suddenly he started smiling in front of the mirror, and he took another decision also, that this type of smile was very sweet, and this smile he would keep forever, and he would keep it in front of the people, so that he should look more attractive. He came back, he lit a bidi. I think in that time there would be no cigarettes available in the village. That's why he must have lit a bidi. He started smoking. Then again many ideas were coming into his mind. In those ideas, actually again a sweet idea came into his mind. That was, he would get married to a woman who would have plenty of money. And he again started thinking that the lady should be a doctor who would have her own clinic. but one condition, there was a one condition, that the doctor actually should be fatty. He wanted to get a woman, means actually who should be very fatty. The reason was behind that, he wanted to get married with a lady who should be fatty. Reason means, suppose that if he started committing mistakes and he wanted to run, then he would have, after committing mistake, he would start running. The lady, means doctor, would not chase him, and he would have gone away. He would have run away very far from his own wife. Okay, means suddenly the same sound he heard. Who heard? The doctor actually. And it was the same sound when the doctor actually in starting he had told. The same sound again he heard. Means it was a third sound. It was appearing that a tube would have fallen. But doctor was quite composed in that time. Means the doctor was quite free. Means he was not having any type of tension. He could have never thought that in the room a snake could be. Suddenly, but he turned back. As he turned back, the snake was wriggling on the chair. When he turned back, the snake jumped onto his shoulder. The snake jumped onto his shoulder, and the snake actually jumped on his shoulder. In this process, doctor was surprised, but he was very afraid. He got petrified. Actually, he converted himself into a statue, into a stone, we can say. Means then after, when the doctor converted himself into a statue and he was not doing any type of activity, means he was not shivering, he was not moving, he got silent, no motion he was creating. Then what happened? Means the snake left his shoulder and started coiling around his left arm. Means when he was coiling, it was giving a very much pain to doctor, as if someone was crushing his left arm. You would have imagined this type of situation. Suppose that if anybody would have started, suppose that if anybody could start crushing to any part of your body, then what would happen? Same thing doctor was feeling. After that, it was crushing, it was coiling around his left arm. Then after it coiled around his left arm, and it had unfurled its hood, and it was 3 or 4 inches from his face. Means the situation was very dangerous, very difficult. Anybody could imagine which type of situation doctor was facing. Means the death was very near to doctor. If any motion, if any activity the doctor had done, then he would have been killed by a snake. Means you can imagine. Means after that, actually it had unfurled its hood, and its hood was 3 or 4 inches above from his face. Means statue doctor, the doctor already had converted himself like a stone. He was like a statue. Means then suddenly what happened? After that, means in this process doctor was unable to think properly what was going on. He was petrified. He converted himself into a stone. But in that time his mind was very active. He started thinking about God. Means God was seeing and watching all the things what was going on. He started thinking that God would be seeing what was happening with him, but no motion he was creating. Means a kind of imagination had taken birth in his mind. He started thinking. In his imagination, he tried to write a name of God. He tried to write a name of God because he was knowing that God God would be watching all the things, and nothing could have been left unseen by God. Means pain was very much in his left arm. Means it was, the doctor actually was feeling that a molten rod, means very hot rod, what touching, what crushing to his left arm. In that time there were no medicine available in the room, and you can, means he started and thinking this, a kind of a smile came on his face because he started thinking about him that he was a silly doctor. Means then suddenly what happened? Suddenly a snake who actually had unfurled his hood on the doctor's face, it converted. Means it moved some, and its face came in front of the mirror. Then doctor actually in a joking style he had written that he actually told that he had never missed such type of happening which had happened with the doctor. He had never imagined, and he had written that he was not sure that it would be the first first snake who would have seen itself into the mirror. But means anybody gets attracted in front of the mirror, so same thing happened with the snake. When it saw its reflection into the mirror, what happened? It left his left arm. It left his left arm, and it means after that it went onto the lap of the doctor. Then from there he wriggled in front of the mirror. The doctor had written that, means it wanted to see a closer figure of itself. So it went in front of the mirror. The doctor had written in very beautiful style. He had written that means in front of the mirrors, the doctor had written, means it wanted to grow some mustache like him, because in starting the doctor had cleared. So the doctor was telling that perhaps the snake would have started thinking about growing mustache and growing or using eyeshadow or mascara. Means the doctor had created some amusing style. He had written, he actually was telling the story that it would have attracted in front of the mirror. It went towards that side because perhaps it wanted to grow some mustache on its face, and it would have wanted to grow or using eyeshadow or mascara. But in that time when it went in front of the mirror, the doctor was quite relaxed. the doctor could not create any type of sound. Holding his breath, he turned himself, he moved back, and he left the room. Then someone, when he was telling the story, someone asked, "Doctor, had you seen back?" Doctor replied that I had never seen back. He started running and running, and till that he had not reached his friend's house. He reached there, he rubbed much oil on his body. Then he had taken a bath. Then means a kind of a relief, a kind of respite he had taken. He passed his night in his friend's house. Then next morning at near about 8:30, with his friend and along with 2 or 3 persons, he went there again where he was living. But when he reached there, he found nothing, because a thief had reached there and could have taken all the things, all the items the doctor was having, which the doctor actually was having. There was nothing left, means the thief had not left anything. Only there was a piece of vest, means banyan, was left in his house. Doctor, in very funny style, he had written, he actually says that the thief actually would have been a great lover of cleanliness, or means he had left the vest because vest was not clean in that time. So the thief had left that item. And after that, someone asked to doctor that is your wife fatty? Then he replies, "No, my wife is not very fatty. In that time I was having this type of imagination." But he replies that his wife is not very fatty. She is very slim. She is a sprinter, means dhavak. And in this way, someone again asked to him that have you ever seen back? Have you ever seen back to the same snake? And doctor replies, "No, after that I had not seen." Replied actually he had not seen the snake again. Thanks. Okay, मिलते हैं ब्रेक के बाद.